Okay, so we are cleaning the microwave here. Remove that glass plate, any parts that will come out. Throw them in the sink and wash those up really nice. Dry them. Spray some degreaser if you need to. Nice soapy sponge with Dawn dish soap. We can use that to clean the most of the kitchen. Give it a nice scrub on the inside with that sponge. And then we are going to wipe it with the towel here. If you have to spray any heavy duty degreaser in a microwave or anything like that, make sure you give it, maybe rinse your sponge out, wipe it with some wet water, and then wipe it just to make sure we get any chemicals off of there. Make sure you're wiping all parts of the microwave, including the top and sides. Dry and polish the inside. Make sure you don't leave any crumbs in there. Make sure you check those corners. For the outside, I scrub it with a sponge with Dawn dish soap as well again. Make sure you get the handle on the back side where you can't see. See how I'm working left to right, getting all the little cracks, but doing it quickly, making sure that I'm looking at all of the nooks and crannies and the little areas. And of course, we'll wash the plate and parts and put them back in when we're done. And then giving the front glass part just a little spray with the spray away glass cleaner, wiping it with a paper towel to make sure we don't have any streaks on the glass or the shiny parts. And then you're good to go. Take a step back, give it a good look. Save that paper towel for another use. Thanks, guys. Happy cleaning.